Site Report Expert. Your all-in-one app for punch lists, snag lists, audits, inspections, and issue tracking. Trusted by construction professionals, health and safety officers, project managers, surveyors, facility managers, real estate teams, environmental auditors, contractors, insurance assessors, and quality inspectors across every industry. Create and organize your projects. Start by creating a project. Add key details like project name, reference number, locations, start and end dates, auditor information, and client details. Then, organize your project into locations for streamlined audits and inspections. Add issues with photos and markup. Add issues, defects, or snags with multiple photos. Set dates, titles, status, assignee, tags, and priority. Include descriptions, comments, and markup images to highlight problem areas. Import and manage issues. Import multiple images as snags, defects, or items. Assign tasks, set priority and status, and collaborate with your team through timestamped updates and comments. Smart sorting, searching, and filtering. Organize snag list and punch lists your way with smart sorting, quick searching, and powerful filters, making it easy to find items and generate reports in the order you need. Generate and share professional reports. Generate professional PDF and Excel reports with your required customizations, and share them instantly with team members or anyone in the world, right from your mobile. Offline access and data privacy. No internet? No problem. Work fully offline. No signups or subscriptions, and your data stays secure. Built for every industry. Trusted by professionals in construction, real estate, health and safety, surveying, facility management, manufacturing, hospitality, healthcare, environmental auditing, insurance assessments, and quality inspection. Get started with Site Report Expert download. Need help? Contact us at info@tasakiapps.com. Thank you.